Hello everyone, welcome to our video which will discuss about the essence and perspective of cultural values in the old city of Jakarta and its relationship with society all. Batavia locals or the Indonesian people know it as Kota Tua, an area in which stand a majestic old building with a thick Dutch architecture. This building is full of located in Pinangsia village, Taman Sari district, West Jakarta. It has an area of 1.3 square kilometers that crosses North Jakarta and West Jakarta. The old city of Jakarta in the past keep a very meaningful history for its existence to this day. Why not? This city becomes a bone of contention and a symbol of glory for anyone who is able to master it. It's no wonder that starting from the Sundanese kingdom, there is Pajajaran and Tarumanegara kingdom, that is a Banten kingdom, and the Verenigde Oost or Indisch Compagnie or VOC, the Japanese government, even until now, the Republic of Indonesia, through the DKI Jakarta government, continue to strive maintain it as number one city in this country in order to maintain a distinctive feature that is different from the others. In the old town area, there are also several tourist attractions that can be visited, such as Fathahillah Museum, Sunda Kelapa Harbor, Bank Indonesia Museum and Bank Mandiri Museum, and also Puppet Museum, Fine Arts and Ceramics Museum, and Toko Merah or Red Shop. In addition to tourist attraction, the Kota Tua area is also often used as a photo spot because the area has not changed much like the Dutch colonial era. Currently, the Jakarta provincial government is trying to make the old city or Kota Tua one of the World Heritage from UNESCO. Old City or Kota Tua is also one of the tourist areas in Jakarta. The Department of Tourism and Culture of the Jakarta Province is currently making several efforts to increase the attractiveness of Kota Tua as a leading tourist destination in Jakarta, including physical restoration of several buildings of the Jakarta History Museum, structuring the plaza in the Kota Tua area through the improvement of infrastructure and facilities in the plaza area supported by the Kota Tua Consortium, relocation and control of street vendors around Fathahillah Park, organizing events to enliven tourist activities in the old city, integrating tourist routes with public transportation or shuttle bus, the process of proposing to the governor for ranking as a cultural heritage area at the provincial level, which will be followed up with a proposal as World Cultural Heritage Area to UNESCO. The desire to revive the old town was then sparked by Jakarta Old Town Reborn or GOTR, and GOTR offers a vision that may soon be realized into a modern old town with breadth of history. Jakarta Old Town tourism area can be a source of income for the surrounding community due to the large number of domestic and foreign travelers visiting the old city area of Jakarta. The surrounding community can take advantage of this opportunity to sell various commodities and culinary tours. For example, by selling accessories or miniature of local culture such as ondel-ondel shaped hangers. That is like a giant dolls typical of the Betawi tribe, or Mona shaped hangers and other ornaments. And in addition, the public can also sell various commodities and culinary tours. For example, sell various traditional food typical of the Jakarta area or typical of Betawi, such as egg rice, or the people usually say it kerak telur, ketoprak, ice selendang mayang, and bir peletok, and etc. This of course will affect the economy of the community and the region. Kota Tua is no longer only seen as old building, but also a center for various activities such as art, culture, and entertainment. They also offer Green City Old Town, where there are lots of trees planted so that it looks green. In addition, there is also the idea of using the Kali Besar area as a boat tour. And if we back in the 16th century, the Kota Tua region was nicknamed the Jewel of Asia and Queen of the East by European sailors. Why is that? Because Old Jakarta has a strategic location, both a trading center for the Asian continent, a center of civilization and government that has abundant potential research. The Old Town area has a high historical value, various relics of the past that have a uniqueness that cannot be separated from the surrounding cultural elements. Let's love the historical heritage that is a silent witness to our nation's journey. So, this is the last from me and from us video. Let's travel to the old city or Kota Tua Jakarta. See you on next trip.